We'll be talking about the just recent issue in Osun State, in Osogbo, between the APC and the PDP. The present governor of this time now, Adeleke, and the previous governor that just left. So now they tell the governor to come back again to power. Is he in power already?
No, we have a governor in place who belongs to PDP.
Yeah, I know.
So the previous governor was from APC. So in the last election, PDP won, and APC, of course, we need to step out. The APC governor should have been on his second term if he had won.
Yeah.
Now, he contested that election. And the tribunal now said there were frauds, over voting in 10 local governments.
Yeah, in Osun State.
So the law is that cases where we record over voting, the results should be cancelled.
Yes.
After the cancellation of those results, it was discovered that APC, the governor that just left, won. So the tribunal now suggested to INEC, which has the power to conduct election and issue a certificate of return, to withdraw the certificate from the sitting governor.
Okay, so now the new governor now, who is in power now in Osun State?
Yes, Adeleke, Senator Adeleke, who belongs to PDP.
Okay, and the PDP and the APC candidate is not on seat now, right?
No, because Adetola.
Okay.
Because if you have a case like that and you lost out, you have 21 days to appeal. Pending the appeal, the sitting governor remains the governor.
So Adetola now have already appealed?
No, it's Senator Adeleke, who incidentally is Davido's uncle.
Yeah.
Is the present governor. Is the one that has decided to appeal his removal.
Oh, okay. So they have already removed him.
The tribunal has removed him.
So he's just trying to fight his way back to be in power.
But he's still legally the governor of the state until the determination of the appeal.
So
Adeleke is still the governor. Adetola is not the governor.
Okay, Adetola is not the governor. Yeah. So that's why I want to know. Adetola is not the governor. Adeleke is still the governor. So do you think what the Nigerian tribunal said, that it should leave, is that the right, is that the right, no, how will I put it? Is that the right opinion on the situation of the state?
The law is that anywhere there's overvoting, meaning that there are more votes than the registered people.
But when they have the election in the first time and they have this corruption issue, why can't they say it out before they put the man in power? Because now he's in power. For him to leave that position now, it will be very hard. It will come with a lot. We know the law have the final say.
No, the court is the final determinant of in resolving
election issue.
Any issue.
Yeah.
Any contest you have, the court is the final bus stop.
Yeah, for sure.
So if you have an issue with somebody and we are contesting it, the only way you can go for clarification, for legal clarification, is the court. So if INEC, whether biased or ignorant or for whatever reason, declare Senator Adeleke as the governor, the only thing the former governor Adetola could do was to go to court, which he did, tribunal. And the tribunal looked at the complaints of both parties, their presentations, and discovered in its own judgment, in its own wisdom, that there were overvotes in 10 local governments. The law said that any place where there's overvoting, the votes recorded are more than the people who were actually
in the election.
Yes, who should have voted. So that means there are irregularities. No, all those cases were nullified. So when all those cases were nullified, it came to the point that Adetola had more votes. He could have been the governor. Now,
so they rob him of the power.
Yes. Wow. That's the judgment. They rob him of his votes. So, governor, please, you have to leave. And the governor has the right to say no.
He can appeal too. Yeah,
he has 21 days to appeal.
Yeah.
So after 21 days, if he has not appealed, that means he has to leave. The governor said he will appeal. So in 21 days, he will appeal.
I'll be looking for the outcome of everything at the end of the day.
And the appeal must be determined 60 days. It must be within 60 days.
Wow.
So after 60 days, if it does not favor him or it does not favor Adetola, the other one, he has the right to go to the Supreme Court.
To put it forward like, no, I'm not stepping out.
So the Supreme Court will be the final
to judge,
and everything will be everything will be determined in the next 6 months.
And they have to respect the law of the land.
Of course.
So
the funny thing in this case is the first time of the former governor. Yeah. Things like this happened.
Yeah.
That INEC said the election was inconclusive.
Yeah,
they had to vote again. So let's see how it's going to. It's not a new thing in Nigerian politics. In fact, it's got to me to a ridiculous end that there are some governors they call Supreme Court governors because they got their judgment from Supreme Court. Wow. They call them Supreme Court, like the present governor of Kogi State in Nigeria. During his first time, the duly elected governor Audu died before the inauguration. Yeah. So Yaya Bello had to come in, even when he was not even on the ballot. So things like this happen every time. It's not a new thing. But let's see how it works this time around. Future.
So my people, we've had everything from Mr. Steve Ade, and really, I appreciate him on this platform. Like, he's been shedding a lot of light to a lot of issues in Africa. I really appreciate you on this platform. So the next thing is I'll be talking about the